हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम अपनी जीके की नेक्स्ट क्लास कंटिन्यू करते हैं और आज हम अ, अगस्त मंथ का जो जीके है उसे कंटिन्यू करेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट लाइनर क्वेश्चंस इन द सेक्शन ऑफ पर्सन इन न्यूज़। व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ द इंडियन अमेरिकन एडवोकेट who has been nominated by the USA President Donald Trump as a federal court judge in the New York recently? Sarita Komadreddy. Reddy, recently who has been appointed as the managing director and chief executive of the other of Officer Max Bupa Health Insurance Krishnan Ramchandran. Recently who has been nominated to International Bank for the Reconstruction and Development as a representative of the United States Ashok Michael Pinto. Recently, which union minister has launched SARS collection on the government's e-marketplace portal? Narendra Singh Tomar. Next, recently who has been appointed by the government as a director on the Central Board of Reserve Bank of India? Tarun Bajaj. Recently who has taken charge as a Director General of Labour Bureau in the Ministry of Labour and Employment? DPS Negi. Recently, the book titled Vijayant at Kargil, The Life of the Kargil Heroes has been released. It is the biography of which captain? Vijayant Thapar. Next, recently United Nations Environment Programme has extended the term of its Goodwill Ambassador of India till 2022. Who is the Goodwill Ambassador of India? Diya Mirza. Recently, who has inaugurated 80-kilometer link road for the Kailash Mansarovar through video conferencing? Rajnath Singh. Next, what is the name of the co-founder of the Kodwa Hockey Festival who has passed away recently? Pandad Kutappa. Eminent historian Harishankar Vasudevan has passed away recently. He was related to which state? West Bengal. Recently, who has been appointed by Google Cloud as its Vice President Engineering in India? Anil Bhansali. Next section is award. Recently, India journalist Dar Yasin, Mukhtar Khan and Chennai Anand have been honored with the 2020 Pulitzer Prize. These journalists have won the award in which field? Feature photography. Next, renowned Kannada poet K.S. Nisar Ahmed has passed away recently. He was awarded by the Padma Shri in which year? 2008. Recently, who has been honored with the Young Career Award in Nanoscience and Technology for the year 2020? Saurabh Lodha. Next, recently, who has become the first Indian to win FedUp Heart Award 2020 for the Asia Oceania Zone? Sania Mirza. Next, veteran Bengali author Dibesh Roy has passed away recently. He was awarded with the Sahitya Akademi Award for which of the novel? Tisa Pereire Britanto. Jean Dietich has passed away recently. He won the Oscar Award for the which animated short movies in 1961? Munoro. Next section is scheme and launches. Recently, Atal Pension Yojana has completed 5 years of its implementation on which date? 9th May. Recently, which state has become the first state in the country to provide the midday meal ration? Madhya Pradesh. Recently, which state government has Mukhya Mantri Shahri Rozgar Guarantee Yojana guaranteeing at least 120 days of employment to people living in the urban areas? Himachal Pradesh. Recently, which state government has launched Mater Smriti scheme to utilize 50,000 acre of the barren land in 6 districts West Bengal? Recently, which state government has decided to cover landless agro laborers under the second phase of the Rajiv Gandhi Kisan Nyaya Yojana? Chhattisgarh. Which state government has launched Rajiv Gandhi Kisan Nayan Yojana on 21st May on the death anniversary of the former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, Chhattisgarh? The Union Cabinet extended the Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana has a social security scheme for the senior citizen till which year? March 2023. Recently, the central government has launched a scheme for the complete solarization of the temple Konark Sun Temple. Next, which state government has begun the third phase of its Sujlam Suflam Jal Sanchay Abhiyan scheme, Gujarat? Recently, which state government has launched a new scheme called Dharmantri for home delivery of medicine, Assam? Recently, which has launched a special borrowing scheme for the self-help group to help the SHG in order to overcome the difficulty possessed by COVID-19, Indian Overseas Bank? Next section is national and state one-liner questions. Recently, India Institute of Technology Alumni Council has launched a COVID-19 test bus in which city? Mumbai. Recently, which organization has launched a companion titled Surakshit Dada Dadi and Nana Nani Abhiyan to ensure well-being of senior citizen of the country? Niti Aayog. Next, after the successfully tested which nuclear missile? Every year National Technology Day is celebrated on the 11th May across India? Shakti First. What is the name of the mission which has started by the Government of India to provide the assistance to Eastern Indian Ocean regeneration amid the coronavirus crisis? Mission Sagar. Next, recently Pranvayu program was launched in which city to create the awareness about the respiratory health? Bengaluru. How much financial package was announced by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 12th May to deal with the coronavirus pandemic? 20 lakh crore. Recently, Geographical Indications Registry has given the geographical indication tag to saffron of which region? Kashmir. Recently, which state government has launched Exist app for standard people of other states? West Bengal. Recently, which state government has launched Ayush Kavach COVID app which will provide for Mayor to boost immunity based on the natural resources? Uttar Pradesh. Recently, which state government has launched Niga program to aware family members of migrant returnees? Himachal Pradesh. Recently, which state government has increased the retirement age of the government staff, teachers and those in public sector and units from 58 to 59 years? Tamil Nadu. According to the study by the Internet and Mobile Association of India titled Digital in India, which state or unitary territory topped the highest internet penetration rate among all states of India? Delhi. Recently, which state government has launched a Pravasi Rahat Mitra app to connect the migrant with scheme and jobs? Uttar Pradesh. Recently, which state government has decided to suspend the majority of labor law for a period of 1000 days or over 3 years to attract the investment? Uttar Pradesh. Next, recently which state government has formed a panel under the ex-RBI Governor C. Rangarajan to improve the official position? Tamil Nadu. Recently, which state government has launched the country first ever FIR Aapka Dwar Yojana? Madhya Pradesh. Recently, which state Surai Kovar painting has received the geographical indication tag from the Geographical Indication Registry? Jharkhand. Recently, which state government has launched Hope Portal to help the unemployment youth to get job opportunities? Uttarakhand. Recently, TVS Group and which IIT jointly developed a automated respiratory assist device? Sundaram Vintoga, IIT Madras. Recently, the government has announced how much reduction in TDS TCS rate till March 31st, 2021, 0.25%. Recently, which state has become the first state in India to regulate the cultivation of crops? Telangana. Recently, the National Disaster Management Authority has created a new online dashboard named National Migrant Information System. Where is the headquarters of National Disaster Management Authority? New Delhi. Next section is international news, current affair. Recently, which country has claimed to develop the first potential vaccine candidate that neutralizes the virus in human cell? Italy. Which country will launch its first Arctica M satellite to monitor the Arctic climate by the end of 2020? Russia. Recently, PNB Housing Financial has signed a memorandum of understanding with which IIT to support the research and development for reusable personal protective equipment to be supplied government hospital IIT Delhi. Recently, the World Health Organization and the United Nations Postal Agency released the commemorative postage stamp on the which number anniversary of the eradication of smallpox for teeth. Recently, which country has won the FIDE Chess.com online nation cup title? China. Recently, Swiss from Zurich Airport International AG has got security clearance from the Center for Developing Jewar Airport. Jewar Airport is situated in the which state? Uttar Pradesh. Which is the rank of India in the Global Energy Transition Index, which is released by the World Economic Forum recently 74th? How much amount of the assistance has been given to India by the USA Center for Disease Control and Prevention recently? $3.6 million. Recently, Erlich Lunak has resigned amid mounting criticism and disappointment with her performance in the coronavirus crisis. She was the culture minister of which country? Austria. Recently, Chinese smartphone maker Oppo announced the partnership with the which telecom company to boost 5G adoption in the world? Vodafone. Recently, Prime Minister of the Lesotho Thomas Thabane has formally resigned from the post. Where is the capital of Lesotho? Maseru. Every year World Bee Day is observed globally on which date? 20th May. Recently, which country has provided $2 million aid for the United Nations Relief and Works Agency working for the welfare of Palestinian refugee? India. Palestinian. Recently, Benny Gantz was sworn in as the alternate Prime Minister of which country? Israel. Next section is financial awareness. Recently, which bank has released a song titled Hum Haar Nahi Manenge to keep hope up amidst the ongoing national lockdown and COVID-19 pandemic? HDFC Bank. How much amount was approved by the World Bank to Coastal Resources of India recently? $40 million. $400 million. Recently, a defense public sector undertaking Bharat Dynamic Limited has linked pact with which IIT to mark the large-scale ventilators developed by the Noka Robotics IIT Kanpur. Next, recently how much loan has been approved by the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank to support India's effort to fight the coronavirus pandemic? $500 million. Recently, how much amount of the loan was sanctioned by the new development bank into India fight COVID-19? $1 billion. MoneyGram payment system has tied up with which bank to offer a cost-effective direct-to-bank amount credit option for the customer in India? Federal Bank. Recently, how much amount was approved by the World Bank to India to accelerate COVID-19 social protection response program? $1 billion. Recently, how much loan agreement for a project has been signed by the Government of India, the Government of West Bengal and the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank? $145 million. Recently, which bank has started a special business vertical dedicated to gold loan to meet the financial need of its customer due to the COVID-19 pandemic? Canara Bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank has become the first bank in the India to allow video know your customer, where is headquarters of the Kotak Mahindra Bank, Mumbai. Recently, the Reserve Bank of India has reduced the reserve repo rate from 3.75% to what percentage? 0.0335. Recently, which bank restarted a new feature of voice banking service on Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for their customer? ICICI Bank. Recently, which bank acquired 6.43% stake in the Reliance Capital by involving pledged share? HDFC Bank. Next, recently how much amount was announced by the Reserve Bank of India to the special liquidity facility for mutual funds? 50,000 crore. How much amount has been sanctioned by the Asian Development Bank to India to help in the fight against coronavirus pandemic? $1.5 billion. Next, sports section. Recently, the Badminton World Championship 2020 has been postponed to November 2021. It has been scheduled to be held in which country? Spain. Recently, International Hockey Federation has extended to term of its present until May 2021. Who is the president of International Hockey Federation? Narendra Batra. Recently, cyclist Remy Di Giorgio has been banned for 4 years by International Cycling Union. He is related to which country? France. Recently, International Cricket Council has announced that the ranking of cricket team, India has ranked third. Which country has secured the first position? Australia. Former world snooker companion Peter Amdon has announced his retirement from professional snooker. He is related to which country? England. Recently, which cricketer has been appointed by the Pakistan Cricket Board as a new ODI captain? Babar Azam. Recently, the International Cricket Council Cricket Committee has recommended banning the usage of Slavia to shine the ball. Who is the chairman of the International Cricket Council? Shashank Manohar. Next, science and technology section. In order to boost immunity during the pandemic, spirulina groundnut chicky has been developed by the Central Food Technology Research Institute. Where is the Central Food Technology Research Institute situated? Mysore, Karnataka. Researchers of the which country's history museum have discovered a new parasitic fungus species in Vejle, Denmark. Recently, which country has developed I Feel You bracelet for social distancing? Italy. Recently, which tool was launched by the Google to create a video builder? Next, recently which state government has ruled out e-Sanjeevani OPD for free online medical consultation to sick people? Himachal Pradesh. Recently, which state government has launched Avtamitra mobile application and helpline to fight COVID-19? Karnataka. Recently, which state government has launched COVID Firm, a mobile application to trace people buying medicine for fever cold? Andhra Pradesh. Recently, which state government has launched Ayog and Sehat Sathi app to fight against COVID-19? Rajasthan. Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar attended the G20 Agriculture Minister meet through video conferencing. The meet was chaired by the which country? Saudi Arabia. Next, miscellaneous news. Every year, World Thalassemia Day is observed globally to raise awareness about the thalassemia disease on 8th May. What is the theme of World Migratory Day 2020, which is every year celebrated on the 9th May? Birds connect our world. Recently, which institute has developed first indigenous ELISA test kit for COVID-19? National Institute of Virology. Recently, which country has named a street in Tel Aviv after the celebrated Indian poet Rabindranath Tagore has a tribute on his 159th birthday? Israel. Every year, International Nurse Day is observed at the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale on which date? 12th May. Every year, World Asthma Day is celebrated across the world on first Tuesday of May. A book titled Shuttling to the Top, the story of PV Sindhu was released recently. Who is the author of this book? V. Krishnaswamy. Who is the author of the audio format book titled How the Onion Got Its Layer? Sudha Murthy. The International Day of Lights is celebrated every year on which date? 16th May. Which state has celebrated its 45th statehood day on 16th May? Sikkim. Every year, World Tuna Day is observed on 2nd May with the United Nations to raise awareness about the importance of which species? Tuna fish. Next section, designation who is who. First is Chairman of Rajya Sabha Venkaiah Naidu, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, Chairman of Niti Ayog Narendra Das Modi, Leader of Opposition in Rajya Sabha Ghulam Nabi Azad, Leader of House in Lok Sabha Narendra Das Modi, Leader of Opposition in Lok Sabha none. Chief Election Commissioner Sunil Arora, Election Commissioner Ashok Lavasa Sushil Chandra, Director General ITBP SS Deshwal, Chief Vigilance Commissioner Sanjay Kothari, Foreign Secretary Harshvardhan Singh Shringla, Comptroller and Auditor General of India Rajiv Mishri, Director of Vikram Sarabhai Space Center S. Somanath, Chairman of Telecom Regulatory Authority of India R.S. Sharma, CBI Director Rishi Kumar Shukla, Chairman of National Commission for Scheduled Tribes Nand Kumar Sai, Chairperson of National Commission of Minorities Sayyid Gayural Hassan Razvi, Chairman of UPSC Arvind Saxena, Director General of National Investigation Agency YC Modi, Chairman of Space Commission and ISRO KV Sivan, Chairman of Atomic Energy Commission and Section Department of Atomic Energy KN Vyas, Chairman of SSC Brajraj Sharma, Chairman of National Human Rights Commission Justice HL Dutt, Registrar General and Census Commissioner of India Vivek Joshi, Central Chairman of Central Board of Direct Taxes Pramod Chandra Moody, Chairman of Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India Subhash Chandra Kuntia, Chairman of Security and Exchange Board of India Ajay Tyagi, Chairman of State Bank of India Rajneesh Kumar, India's Permanent Representative in UNO TS Trimurti, Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Bhalla, Chairperson of National Commission for Women Rekha Sharma, Chairman of 15th Finance Commission NK Singh, Chairman of Competition Commission of India Ashok Kumar Gupta, Chairperson of Central Board of Film Certification Prashun Joshi, President of ASSOCHAM Niranjan Hirdani, Chairperson of NASSOCHAM UB Praveen Rao, Chief of Defence Staff General Vipin Rawat, Chief of Air Staff Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadauria, Chief of Naval Staff Admiral Karamveer Singh, Chief of Army Staff General Manoj Mukund Narwane, Chief of RAW Samant Goyal, Director Baba Atomic Research Center AK Mohanty, National Commission for Scheduled Caste Ram Shankar Kataria, President of FICCI Sandeep Somne, Chairman of 21st Law Commission Dr. Justice B.S. Chauhan, National Security of Advisor Ajit Doval, Chairperson of Prasar Bharati Dr. A. Surya Prakash, DG of National Testing Agency Vinny Joshi, Finance Secretary Ajay Bhushan Pandey, and last, Chairman of Indian Banks Association Rajneesh Kumar. Next is abbreviations of the August most important. NAFTA, NAFTA, North America Free Trade Agreement, NBFC, Non-Banking Financial Company, IBRD, International Bank for the Reconstruction and Development, BOCW, Building and Other Construction Work Act, PFRDA, Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, FEMA, FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act. Important day and dates: 6th August, World Hiroshima Day, 9th August, Quit India Movement Day, 15th August, Indian Independence Day, 15th August, World Sanskrit Day, 12th August, International Youth Day, and 19th August, World Photography Day, and last is 20th August, National Sport Day. Thank you so much. Please share and like the videos. Thank you so much.